Hello viewers, welcome back and Tech24 channel. Today I show that how can active your two-step verification in Facebook. The Facebook policy is newer coming two-step verification on your in your Facebook. So that how can do it? Let's start. Open your Facebook account. Then you click on account. Look settings and privacy. Every server upcoming next policies two-step verification because all are hackers hacking other site account, so all server create this policy as like Facebook create two-step verification on policies upcoming 28 October. So settings and privacy, click on, then click on settings. Now you check up your security and login. When the page coming, you look that check your important security settings. We will take the through of the some step to help protect your account. Every hacker click on this security policy, so that you must show in these settings, check up your important security settings and follow up. Use two-factor authentication. We will ask for a login code if we notice that attempt login from an unrecognized device or browser. If any hacker knock your profile or your account, 100% Facebook server you notify the two-step verification code. So all our user generate the two-step verification authentication on. So check your important and security settings. Continue. Change password. Your password if you want to change. Next. An extra layer and setting security to your account. Get started. Security tips, you follow these rules. Next, control your alerts. All controller you turn on. If all alert are turned off, you 100% follow it's turn on. Then next, review another topic. The all are security topics you are checking up. So I check all security, then you are all set. Okay, now back to the settings. Now I going to two-step verification. This is the main focus of two-step verification activities used to help protect your account. We activate our Gmail account in two-step verification on all our Gmail account because the policy. So the same system in here. Select a security method. How can you select your security method? Authentication app. Use authentication app. Any authentication app you use. And text message. Use text message to receive verification code. We notify that our Gmail account when we forget our password and recover our password, then server give me a verification temporary OTP password for recovery our Gmail account. So it's the same system here. Text message, we use this number, all our user. So when our Facebook account forget password or 2 device 3 device connected with Facebook account, then Facebook server give me a verified OTP. Use text message, then you give your number. Look, here is a enter code in authentication Facebook account. I check my phone. Two-factor authentication is on. Done. Use number. If I number this use, then use number or not now. The true option. Look this message. You would like. You can use this number to help contact people. If all our contact people contact with me, then follow this number, or only you see this number, only your profile. This is privacy policy and only me, so I use that. Not now. This call only me, only I see this number, not other user and other friends look this number, so not now. Now please enter your password to continue. So viewers, you see that how can I active our two factor authentication in Facebook account. So I hope that you all are on your two-step verification in Facebook account, so your privacy policy protected and other hackers. So I hope that you should must try follow this video and active your Facebook account and continue work these settings for your privacy protected. Thank you watching this video. Stay connected with us.